The world of drones just got a lot more interesting with the newest release from DJI, Mavic Air. The Mavic Air is the third release in the Mavic lineup, coming after the Pro and Platinum models. The Mavic Air has a very different look from the Pro, replacing the angular lines with smooth, sweeping curves and rounded edges. The Mavic Air is basically a shrunken-down Pro designed for portability. DJI stuck with the collapsible arms, this time also making the landing gear fold up when not in use. The collapsed Air is substantially more compact than the Pro. The Mavic Air weighs only 430 grams with a respectable max flight time of 22 minutes. It has a max speed of 42 miles per hour in Sport mode and 17.9 miles per hour in P mode. And let's talk camera. The Air has a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor with an 85-degree field of view that can take 12 megapixel stills, and a live view downlink in 720p at 30 frames per second. It also has 4K recording at 30 frames per second, 2.7K at 60, and 1080p at 120 frames per second for some truly epic content. The Mavic Air also has 2 front-facing, 2 rear-facing, and 2 downward-facing vision sensors with an additional 2 infrared sensors. It's also packing multi-directional awareness and obstacle detection from 1.7 to 79 feet. One of the coolest things about DJI drones is the pre-programmed flight modes. There's a few new ones this time around, including Rocket, Droney, Circle, Helix, Asteroid, and Boomerang modes. For $799, the Mavic Air is cheaper than a new Mavic Pro and even more portable. If you're a drone enthusiast, the Mavic Air is one tempting piece of tech.